welcome back to our channel Miles on Bike. So today's video is about unboxing a bike parts for our bike, that is Himalayan. We brought today some HD light for our bike because Himalayan light is not that focused. When we are traveling outside, we have observed that brightness of our bike is less compared to other bikes. So we thought of buying new HD light for our Himalayan bike. The brand name is HJG and they have mentioned 12-month warranty. They have mentioned 12 months warranty for this light, and this is the HD light. And they have mentioned like energy saving 70% and service life 2000%, and the brightness is 30,000 hours. So we'll see. Let me open this. They packed it very well in a good box, so I got one more box for me. And like this it is there. This is a bulb. And this one. And this one. And then they gave this one too. And they gave this spring too. We'll try to fix by ourselves this light. If not, we'll go to our mechanic and we'll fix it by today. So if you are buying Himalayan, for sure you need to change the headlight. Okay, we brought a new headlight for our bike. So next, what is in this box? So we have some spare parts for Himalayan we brought today. So this is headlamp
headlamp grill.
This is a headlamp grill. So for Himalayan, we'll be putting this headlamp.
So why this headlamp grill is? It will be really safe for the headlight. So in case of crash or anything, it will definitely save the headlamp. So this is the one. And next.
And next I have this one.
So this is the radiator grill. Many of them suggested. So we are planning. We bought this as well.
Okay. After this, we have some.
This is actually for the headlamp grill only, to hold it. So this will be along with that.
And after this, we have this one is.
This for the side stand.
And this is called as a chopper stand for bike.
This is what the shop guy told us. Chopper stand. And this is the brake fluid guard. But unfortunately, we didn't get the front brake fluid guard. So because the color was not available, so we have told him to get us black color itself. So all these parts will be going directly onto our Green Inferno. So let's see. We'll try to fix it by ourselves. If not, we'll take help of mechanics. Okay? See you guys then. Take care. Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'm at Sai Krishna Bike Zone. So here I have given my Green Inferno to get altered. So this is our mechanic for the day. He's gonna install all the things. He'll be putting the HJG HD lamp into the bike. So the packing and everything is really good, and plus it comes with 1 year warranty as well. So this is the bulb. So as you can see, he's inserting it, and hopefully let's see how the brightness is and everything. So stay tuned guys. இது வயர்லாம் ஒன்று கட் பண்ணுறது இருக்காது இல்லையா? ஏன்னா இது வாரண்டி கிளைம் இஷ்யூலாம் ஆகும் இல்லையா, அதுக்கு கேட்டது. So guys, as you can see, this light specialty is you need not cut any wire or anything. It's just plug and play. So just all you need to do is fix it and plug it out. That as simple as that. So guys, as you can see, This is the brightness, this is the low beam, this is the high beam. And it's really bright. I can see it's really bright. So this is the headlamp grill, but it is really helpful actually, the headlamp grill which I have got. This will help you if any stone or anything comes at you or at the headlamp, the grill saves you. Or even in the fall, the grill actually saves lot of trouble. So that's one thing. And all these things actually I bought it from Madeshwar Riders Mania. So they provide good products and also at good price, because I have been buying things from very long time from them itself, almost 7-8 years. So for me, I trust their product because I bought my riding jackets, riding shoes, also intercom system, everything. Still date I never faced any issue with that. So I'll definitely recommend you guys to check their outlet once, so you'll get a better idea. So you'll get everything from their shop. So there's a bit of confusion here. So where to fit, we are calculating actually. So Muthu is calculating where to fit because it's coming too far from the headlamp. So he's gonna do some jugad work now. Let's see.